Xiaomi has just introduced its new budget earbuds, the Redmi Buds C. These earbuds have been announced in India, but we will surely see their arrival in other markets in the coming weeks. They feature a closed design and therefore have passive noise cancellation, but they also have active noise cancellation, which, according to Xiaomi, reaches 40 decibels. Additionally, it comes with 12.4 mm titanium drivers that project at quite powerful frequencies. They also offer up to 36 hours of playback and are available in blue, white, and black. They come with their own app so you can customize them, including 5 sound profiles, and they feature fast charging so you can get a very good playback time in just 10 minutes. They also have an IP rating for water and dust resistance, protecting against simple splashes, and offer Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Additionally, they include a low-latency audio mode for gaming. For now, their launch price in India is 1999 rupees. But remember that prices here are not the same as those over there. They are simple earbuds, but they can already offer you a good noise cancellation experience. Use and